My people, we got another one. Got some leftovers, man. Got some Angelina's pizza, China Phoenix wings, shit, salt and pepper wings. Feel me? It's the pizza. Y'all first bite. Side of little ranch. Some of the best wings and pizza in the city of Columbus, Ohio, man. Feel me? But yeah, if you know, you know. But yeah, just tapping in with y'all, man. Made me a little smoothie this morning. But yeah, these wings be crispy though. You call salt and pepper spicy. A little iron. But yeah, man, make sure y'all have a good day. Get y'all some money. Let's get it. Ooh, woo!